Let me show you the easy, no-fail way to make air fryer poached eggs. These eggs turn out soft with that perfect runny yolk, ready to slide onto toast, serve for brunch, or make any breakfast feel a little extra special. First, take a few small heat-proof cups. I am using ramekins because they are just the right size for one egg. Then, lightly brush the inside with oil, making sure to coat the bottom and sides so the eggs do not stick after cooking. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water to each cup. The water should just cover the bottom of the cup, not fill it up. Then, carefully crack 1 egg into each cup. Just try to keep the yolk whole. A broken yolk will still cook, but you will not get that lovely, runny, poached egg center when you cut into it. Air fry the eggs at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 6 to 9 minutes. Start checking at 6 minutes if you like a really runny yolk, and for a firmer yolk, 8 minutes should be about right. Use a spoon to carefully lift the eggs out of the cups. Season them as you like with salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, or chopped parsley. Serve them warm while the whites are soft and the yolks are still lovely and runny. If you like this air fryer poached eggs recipe, check out these other air fryer egg recipes here also. They are easy, tasty, and perfect for quick breakfast. Check it out now!